Hello and welcome to the second Excel tutorial from IT Army. In the previous video, we talked about the interface of Excel and we got familiarized with entering the basic data. In this video, we are going to talk about commands. So let's get started. Okay, so the very top in Excel window, you're going to see ribbon, and ribbon consists of tabs. Tabs contains groups and groups contains the commands. Some of the command groups you're going to see we have a dialog box launcher at the bottom right corner to give you some more advanced options related to that group. And at the right of the last tab, you're going to see we have tell me more button also, so you can search for any command. Okay, now talking about different tabs. First of all, we're going to take you over to the file tab. When I click on file tab, it takes you to the area that is called as backstage. From the backstage, you can get the information about the documents. You can create new documents, open, save, print, share, export, and a lot of other things you can do. So throughout the training, we'll talk about all these different options. Let's go back. And then we have the home tab that consists of the basic commands that most of the time you will be using while using Excel, such as performing cut, copy, paste operations, formatting your font, alignment, formatting the cells, formatting the colors, styles, and other operations like inserting functions, filling, sorting, and performing find operations. Next to that, you're gonna see we have the insert tab that can be used for inserting different types of objects such as tables, pictures, charts, lines, and a lot of other stuff. Next to that, we have the page layout. As the name suggests, layouting your page, so setting up the themes, margins, orientation of your page, changing the background of your sheet, and a lot of other operations. Then we have the formula tab, as the name suggests, that is responsible for inserting the functions to your sheets. You can define the names, you can do some formula auditing and managing calculations. Next tab, we have the data tab that, as the name suggests, that you can get the data from external sources, that may be from Microsoft, Access, SQL Server, and a lot of other sources. And we can perform sorting, filtering, and a lot of other data management tools are there that can be used for analysis. Next, we have the review tab that is used for spell checking and translation, inserting comments, sharing, and protecting your workbook. Next, we have the view tab that can be used for changing the view or switching on off the grid lines or formula bar, or arranging your workbook, freezing and splitting your workbook, and a lot of other operations. And at the last, we have help. As name suggests, you can invoke help from Microsoft. So this is all what we have, and at the last we have this tell me more. You can press Alt plus Q, or you can simply click on it and you can search for the command. So if you want to insert an image, you'll say insert image, and you see that it automatically understands that you are trying to insert a picture and gives you the command to insert the picture. So it's quite easy to work with. Next, we have the quick access toolbar that is located above the ribbon QAT. You have the by default 3 buttons available. We have save, undo, and redo. And you have this button over here. You can customize, you can add more. Suppose you want to add a button for opening Excel document, you can just add that, command gets added. If you want to remove it, you can again click on it, open, and that goes away. You also have option to move this command below the ribbon. So if I click on that, the command, the quick access toolbar, moves below. And again, if I click, it moves up. So it's your personal preference. You want to keep the quick access toolbar below or above. Next thing, we have something called as screen tips, and these are the tips that are located. So when you bring the mouse over on any command, they give you a tool tip, the title, what is the keyboard shortcut, and a little description about what that command is used for. So you can see over here that when I'm bringing the mouse over B, it's telling you that you can make the text bold. The shortcut is Control plus B, and it makes your text bold. So you can see that it gives you help. So this is available for all of these commands that are available. Next thing is key tip. When you press the Alt key, and you see that we have the key tips appearing. So it means that if I want to invoke any command from the quick access toolbar, for instance, if I want to save the document, I just need to press the 1 from the keyboard and the document will get saved. So I press 1, and now it's asking you to save the document. So this is the key tip. When I press Alt key, this key tip appears. Same thing I can use for going to particular tab also. I press Alt key, and then suppose if I want to go to the insert, I will press letter N, and it takes you to the insert. Now if I want to insert a table, I can press letter T, and the table gets inserted. So I don't want to insert table, I'll just click cancel as of now. So these are the different operations in which you can use the key tips to perform some actions. So whatever operations you perform frequently, you can just memorize those key tips, so you don't have to use your mouse to go to different tabs and perform the action. Okay, so this ribbon takes a lot of real estate from your screen, so if you want to hide it, we have also option available for that. So I can just click the button over here at the last of the ribbon that says collapse the ribbon. Control F1 is the shortcut. If I click on that, and the ribbon gets hidden, so the commands get hidden, the tab is still there. If you want to invoke any command, you can just click on the tab and you can perform some action. If I click off, the command buttons again get hidden. Now if you want to completely hide this ribbon, you also have option available. I can click on over here and I can say auto hide ribbon. If I click on that, now you can see the ribbon is completely hidden. If you want to perform some action, you can bring the mouse all over at the top, click on that, and then the ribbon becomes available. So we have different tabs. I can click on any tab, I can perform some action, and again if I click off the ribbon again gets hidden. So these are the different options available, and these options you can also change from here. I can say show tabs. The tabs are visible. If I click on any tab, the actions I can perform. Again, if I click off, the commands are gone. And switching back to the normal, I can click on over here, show tabs and commands, and now all the commands are available. Next thing we're going to talk about is the mini toolbar. So mini toolbar is available when you right click on any cell. We have this mini toolbar available, so you can do the basic formatting rather than moving the mouse all over at the top. You can perform basic cell formatting from here. There are different versions of mini toolbars available, but this is one of the most common one. When you right click any picture, when you right click any chart, you're going to see different type of mini toolbar available. Second thing is the context menu. This is called as context menu. When you right click on any cell, you are seeing this context menu, and for different types of objects you're going to see different type of context menus. So this is the context menu that you see that when you right click on any cell. So that was all about the commands. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or comments, please post in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.